Hi YouTube! It's been a long time since I made my last video. I apologize. I have been overwhelmed with a lot of schedules lately. I'm glad some of you expressed your interest on this topic and you wanted to take your first step. Maybe some of you are thinking and wondering why now I am speaking in English as medium of instruction. Well, it is to minimize the time in video editing, and also it is a practice for future purposes. My name is Analo Gonzalez and I began working as a freelancer online since 2010 as web and graphic designer. That's about 9 years now. It is my passion to give value and help others, especially for beginners, discovering the wide range of opportunities in working at the comfort of their home. If you think you are interested in this topic, you may consider subscribing in this channel. Hit the bell button so you will be notified whenever I upload new video. In this video, I would like to answer two questions. Is it necessary that I am good in English in order to work online? And number two, do I need to quit my current job in order to start working online? So the first answer to the first question is yes and no. It depends on what kind of work you are applying at. When you are applying for a job such as online English teacher, telemarketer, or cold calling, of course, it requires English efficiency. But most of the work, like us, web developer, animator, video editor, graphic designer, social media marketer, SEO, and some of the virtual assist of them are not necessary that you talk like a Native American. However, it's equally important that you are able to comprehend English instruction. Most of the clients, they send instruction in English, and at least you are able to write and explain whenever it is necessary. So do I need to quit my current job in order to start working online? So the answer is, it depends upon your choice. I know a friend, she worked offline, 8 to 5 job, and then at night, she has her part-time job, and then it works. So some also define job online, and then after when they hired, they resigned and started to venture their passion, of course, online. So it is necessary and important to think more over and over again, because resigning your offline job is a major decision, since we need to understand that working as freelancer, even if you have a good employer or a stable company online and you have a full-time job, there is no assurance how long you will be staying in a company. So that's why it is a good advice to love and master the process of applying for a job, since that is what we freelancer is doing from time to time. So I hope guys you like this video. Till then, next time, bye bye.